All right. Happy, I think I'm going to send this out on Tuesday. I'm recording it on Monday, but I'll send it out on Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I'm Alex, founder of Partnerhub and Partner Programs. If we don't know each other, please book a time. My calendar's down there. I like to meet everybody in our network if we can and go through some opportunities, do some strategy stuff. This email and this video, I want to show you around what's going on and give you a couple of tips on how to make partnerships and Partnerhub work for you if you do it for just 15 minutes a week, as well as show you version 2. Before I show you version 2, let me get into a demo account and show you a couple things out of version 1. If you haven't logged in a while, or if you haven't done these things, this is how you make partnerships very effective for you and your agency in under 15 minutes a week. First thing is log in, of course. Second thing is live offers over here. This is a crowd favorite. I know they do come to your email, but if you're not the owner of the account or an admin, you're probably not getting the emails with these live offers. We're getting a lot of them submitted, and we let 1 or 2 go every week. We don't want it to be too hectic for you, but we want you to get the very valuable ones. So these are limited to 10 or 5 sometimes, and they are super valuable. Backlinks, features, expert, thought leadership, expert stuff that you can get involved in. So the criteria is, you got to open it up. It's about halfway down here. Who qualifies? So make sure you qualify before you reach out. We don't intervene with this. You can just book. So click accept. It'll open up this calendar and you can book some time. Okay, so if I were an agency user of Partnerhub and I wanted to spend as little time possible but get the most benefit, I would log in. I would check the live offers, reply to those. I'd head over to any red number indicators to here. There may be new matches. Head here, check those out. Once I get rid of the number indicators, I head over to the marketplace. If I am looking for maybe a specific technology or technology offering some value to some ecosystem, my overlapping customer size, and maybe it makes SEO or PPC or videography, and maybe it enables me to do those services, you can reach out to tech companies and strike up conversations. If you're a partner manager, definitely try to have 5 or so conversations with new technology each week. One of the things that I don't see enough agencies do, but some of the top agencies in this network do it, is have a have a lunch and learn scheduled at least once a month, and have a revolving line of new technology come and present to you during those lunch and learns and present to whoever on your team it's relevant for. The reason for that is, as agencies, we all have to be up to speed on things like iOS changes and headless commerce and first-party data and compliance, etc. It's hard as CEOs to train our team on these things, but our team has to stay up to speed. So what I like to say is, why not have Hotjar come in and present a lunch and learn about conversion rate optimization? Yeah, they're going to talk about Hotjar, but they'll also talk about what is going on with their users that are doing it the best. What are they doing? How can you replicate that? That's on the tech side. Then head over to the agency side. The agency partnerships are either we both sell to the same customer base and they have overflow, and I want that overflow, or we sell to the same customer size, but we don't sell the same services, same customer base, but we don't sell the same services, or we sell the same services, but to different customer bases. That's important. So I may be a HubSpot implementation agency, but I don't work with healthcare companies because of the whole HIPAA and I don't like dealing with it. I may want to find a healthcare focused HubSpot implementation agency. Same thing, open them up, see what they do, who they partner with, what services they sell, where they are. That's a third bucket. You could say, we're both doing the same thing, selling the same people, but they're in Latin America and they're fluent in Spanish. I'm in the US and I don't have anyone on my team that speaks Spanish. That's a good one. And you can request partnership. So I would suggest sending a few partnership requests on tech and agency every single week. This is, again, a login, 15 minutes, do that. An annoying bug that we are fixing in version 2 is only owners get certain notifications. Admins don't get the same notifications the owners get. So you may be an admin and your CEO may have created Partnerhub. You're not getting the same alerts, and they're thinking that you're getting the alerts. Apologies. It's something that recently came to our attention. Instead of working on bugs in version 1, we're focusing on version 2. This is what it looks like. It is going dark mode, and it is becoming a much simpler to use. Notifications and all that are fixed. Biggest thing is, couple big things is, lot tighter integrations, lot easier management of your partners, being able to create profiles for your partners, or for new leads without having to send them a partnership request, being able to publish your partners to a front-end directory that looks like this on a subdomain, and allowing your customers to shop your partners and be able to reach out and connect with your partners, use your affiliate links if you have them. And then obviously publish your tech or your agency partners. Hopefully you have both. The bigger thing is tighter integrations with CRM and Slack, being able to do stuff in HubSpot and Slack without leaving those two apps. We want you to work in your own tool set, not have to log into Partnerhub for everything. Things like shop in the marketplace, you'll have to log into Partnerhub. We are deprecating projects. The project feature isn't honestly being used as much as we thought it was. So partner suggestion based on overlapping customer persona is still going to be there for both agency and tech, but it's going to be in a very simple 3-step Kanban. Projects aren't going away. You see here, where is it? So underneath your partner's profile on the left here, you'll be able to add a partner to a project, and then we'll start playing around with creating tasks for both partners when you add them to a project. So if you add a partner to the events project, we know there's at least 3 things that you should be doing with that partner, and both of you need to be doing in order to execute that event. We'll create the tasks for both you and your partner when one of you creates the event. We'll play around with that, see if people like it. Tasks, memorandum, documents, referrals, all here. Referrals, you're going to be able to send a referral to multiple partners and use email addresses, not just select a partner on the drop-down. The search, global search, is going to be pretty cool. So you'll be able to just quickly find a partner. It is mobile friendly, I forgot to mention, which I think is pretty awesome, especially for a super admin. I'll be able to log in from my phone and approve new requests to join Partnerhub. I'll be able to log in and kind of make some admin changes. You'll be able to do the same thing, log in from your phone, approve a new partnership request, check out a live offer, send a partnership request, send a referral. So we're super excited about that. Version 3 starts to become more of a sales enablement. You'll be able to create circles with your partners, go-to-market circles, which will allow you to bring data and combined connections to a go-to-market motion. So if you want to sell to fashion brands in APAC, well, there's partners on the tech side and on the agency side in the marketplace that do the same thing, want the same audience. Create a circle and find some partners that are willing to add data and co-sell with you in that market and co-market with you to that audience and go to market together. That's that. A couple things that we have here. Shopify partner tracks on the event side, is April 12th. Of course, for Shopify agencies, we're going to learn new services. We're going to learn what's happening with the Shopify ecosystem. We're going to hear a go-to-market strategy and get giveaways, and then a great keynote from Nick Sharma. Same thing with Salesforce. May 25th. If you're a Salesforce or just interested in the Salesforce ecosystem, we're putting this together. Same format as our HubSpot and Shopify partner tracks. And then we're going to do one for TikTok as well. TikTok partner tracks in conjunction with ByteDance and TikTok. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else. If you haven't yet, jump into the crash courses, HubSpot. We have Shopify. We have how to raise prices, how to make more money. The way you find these, I believe on your side, you have the see more button, and then you have to join a crash course, and then you'll get the new class alerts when those come out. Events, we've got 5 proven strategies. I'm going to go to that one for closer, more lucrative client relationships. Awesome, from Dot & Company. Money Mondays with Marcel is a hit favorite. Shopify partner tracks, Salesforce partner tracks. Come one, come all to the events. Slack and the community, you can introduce yourself. If you're not in Slack, click the Slack icon and join that and introduce yourself, what type of partnerships you're open to, what type of agents you are, post your links, etc. And reach out to me again through Slack is the easiest. If you have any questions, if you want to help steer the product, please Slack us. There's a product updates and support channel. You can post your product needs there. The next things that are greenlit for the product, like I mentioned, circles, affiliate tracking. We're going to allow you to create custom links for Join Me in Partnerhub, as well as Refer Me Business, which will both be tracked. That was a request. HubSpot app is also in development, or at least greenlit for development. And we'll be kicking off that soon. So creating a HubSpot app to allow you to do more partnership stuff in HubSpot. Same thing with Slack. And then Chrome extension, sales enablement, all that fun stuff. Apologies for the background noise. I'll let you go. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, please leave us a review on G2 Crowd. We're trying to get those reviews up in numbers. They're all 5-star now, but we need more of them so we can start getting more noticed. Thank you again. Bye.